Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tamim Qasim and I'm a financial advisor at Azzad, where we concentrate on wealth management solutions for investors adhering to Islamic and socially responsible principles. If you're in the market to work with a financial planner, you're probably dealing with a wide span of considerations in making your choice. After all, to entrust someone with your wealth is a big decision to make. Among competency, track record, and reputation, cost and compensation can be an important factor in determining your choice. At Azzad, we want you to have everything you need to make an informed decision. So let's talk about how to evaluate and compare costs when shopping around. There are two main ways that advisors may be compensated. The industry terms fee-based or fee-only describe two distinctly defined arrangements. Fee-based advisors may be compensated through a combination of client-paid fees like an AUM percentage, in addition to commissions from selling financial products like annuities, private investments, and life insurance. They're typically not fiduciary-only firms, since commissions can at times align incentives with certain recommendations that might not be optimal for their client. And commissions can be quite lucrative for these firms, which can generate payments as high as 100% of first-year premium for insurance products and 4 to 5% for annuities. The cost of commissions are built into the product, so they aren't transparently disclosed upfront. Fee-only advisory firms like Azzad, on the other hand, are solely compensated through transparently disclosed client-paid fees. We always have a fiduciary duty, meaning legally required to act in your best interest and to disclose any conflicts that could arise. When it comes to fee-only advisory firms, there are two main components of cost to pay attention to: the advisory fee, which covers services rendered by the financial planner, and the expense ratio fees of the underlying investment product. As you shop around, you'll start to notice that other firms often quote fees around 1 to 1.25%. What's often not immediately disclosed, however, is that the mutual funds in the underlying product could be as high as an additional 1% for most Sharia-compliant investment products, which could potentially push total costs as high as 2% for many investors. At Azzad, these two components are combined into a single solution known as the wrap, which covers both the investment management and your dedicated financial planner services. It's a single AUM percentage charged in monthly increments against your managed investment accounts and includes financial, charitable, tax, and estate planning, Sharia-compliant active portfolio management, and a dedicated financial planner experienced in serving the unique needs of Muslim clients. Fees range depending on your situation, allocation, and size of assets invested, but your advisor will be sure to disclose this figure upfront before offering to move forward together. We hope this helps clarify considerations around costs. We believe our fees are quite competitive for the value we provide, which is why we've been entrusted to manage the financial lives of Muslim families across the country since 1997. If you're ready to take the next step in exploring our services, schedule an introductory call with us through our website at azzadasset.com today.